LSAT definition for a phrase today. So we've got kind of two phrases that mean the same thing. So we're going to put them together. We got an intermediate or subsidiary conclusion. So intermediate conclusion or a subsidiary conclusion. Those two things mean the exact same thing on the LSATs. You don't have to worry about, separating these two things out. So if they ask you to identify a subsidiary conclusion, it's the same as identifying an intermediate conclusion. So the way it is defined on the LSAT is that it's a statement that serves both as a conclusion and as a premise. So there's support for it, which makes it a conclusion, and then it then goes on to support typically the main conclusion. So it's this kind of intermediate step in the argument from premises to main conclusion. It's kind of a little stopover here. We've got an intermediate conclusion. So maybe a premise supports this, and then this goes in conjunction with maybe other premises or maybe on its own to support the main conclusion. So the way that this manifests most is on main conclusion questions. So they're going to say, hey, what's the main conclusion? And they're going to throw an intermediate conclusion or subsidiary conclusion in there many times so that you get tricked. They'll usually tag it with a conclusion indicator word so that they'll put thus on there and you say, oh, there's the conclusion. This was easy. Gotcha. It was an intermediate conclusion and the main conclusion was somewhere else. So keep an eye out for that and make sure you know these definitions. Happy studying.